Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Monisha. Today we are making premium dry fruit chikki. This chikki is made out of jaggery and it's very delicious. So let's get into this video. For that, first I am going to grease a tray. Here I have taken a tray and I am going to grease it nicely with some clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. You need to generously apply the grease butter on top of the tray on all sides. If you are not comfortable with the tray method, you can also pour the mixture directly on top of the butter paper. Now here I have taken a fry pan. To this I am adding 80 grams of chopped almonds. To this I am adding 65 grams of chopped pistachios, 145 grams of chopped cashewnuts. Now I am going to roast this on medium flame for 3 minutes. This chikki is perfect for gifting options as well. Once this is roasted, I am going to keep this on side. Now on the same fry pan, here I am adding 372 grams of jaggery. To this I am adding 4 tablespoons of water. Now I am going to mix this well. Let the jaggery dissolve. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all my latest notifications. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. And share this video with your friends and family. Now once the jaggery is dissolved completely, we are going to cook this on medium flame for 6 minutes. Keep a timer ready on side and a bowl with water ready on side. Now you can see the jaggery has turned frothy and drastically it's going to change its color. Now the color has darkened much and it's been 6 minutes. I am going to pour few droplets into this bowl of water to check whether the jaggery can hold the shape or not. And the jaggery is perfectly holding the shape. Now to this immediately I am going to add the roasted dry fruits and I am going to switch off the flame. And this process needs to be done very fast. I am going to combine this well. And be careful with the jaggery syrup because it is very boiling hot and you need to be very careful while mixing. Now once this is nicely combined, to this here I am adding 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. This will give a nice glaze shine to our chikki. Now to this I am adding half teaspoon of cardamom powder, which is also known as elaichi powder. I am going to combine this well and immediately we are going to transfer this hot mixture to the tray. Now once I poured the hot mixture to this tray, I am going to flatten it using the same spoon which I have used here for mixing. So when you are pouring the mixture on tray, you need to be very careful because you need to demold this when the mixture is warm itself. Nor the mixture will stick to the tray and you won't be able to remove the chikkis out. Now using a pav bhaji smasher, I am greasing the pav bhaji smasher with clarified butter and I am going to gently press this chikkis. Not tightly, just gently so that it becomes little even. Now again I am going to apply little clarified butter and I am going to again gently press this smasher to even the chikki. Once it's even, immediately we will start giving the chikki shape. We will cut this chikki using a knife immediately when it's hot. So when it cools down, you can break these chikki easily. So you can cut desired shape and size the way you like it. I am cutting little small pieces. You can cut even more small or little big pieces. So if you pour this mixture on butter paper, you don't need to worry, like you need to make cut marks, and then when it's completely cooled down, you can easily peel off the butter paper and you can break the chikkis into pieces and store it. But if you're pouring like this, like me, on a tray, if you don't have butter paper and you're pouring it on a tray, so you need to be very cautious. When the chikki is warm itself, you need to demold it. Now chikki has cooled down just for 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see it still looks like rubbery kind of texture. So you need to remove it immediately, or if the chikki will cool down fully in this tray, it will get stick to the tray and you won't be able to remove the chikkis. So you can see the sugar string, it's still warm, and I have removed it out. And I am placing it on a plate, and we'll allow these chikkis to cool down completely on a plate. Similarly, I'll remove the rest of the chikkis with a spatula, flat spatula. See, as soon as it starts to become it becomes hard, it becomes very hard to remove these pieces. So you need to immediately work with it, like fast you need to remove these pieces and keep on plate. But if it is butter paper, you can just keep it the way it is and remove at your own time. Now once I have removed all the pieces, I'll allow these chikki to completely cool down at least for half hour. Let it rest on this plate for half hour. And a healthy, delicious jaggery chikki is ready. Please do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. See how crunchy this chikki is. Definitely try this recipe. And this is perfect for gifting options as well. Thank you for watching. And remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Till then, see ya.